So I have a shower caddy to review. Basically, this is 2 shelves that you can pop in your shower. You can pop them in your kitchen. You can pop them anywhere on a nice shiny surface. Not any porous surfaces, but let's see how good they are. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have a product review for you, and it is this. So this is an adhesive square shower caddy. I have been very kindly gifted this item by LUXEAR. I will link this item down below in the information box and the comment box if you are interested in purchasing this for yourself. So it was on the understanding that I would get this gifted to me if I do an unboxing on my channel. That's exactly what we're going to do, and it's going to be a very honest review. Just because I've been gifted this does not mean it's automatically going to get a good review. If there's something about this that I don't like, you will know because I will voice it. But yeah, you get a pack of 2 in here. What I like about this as well, it's not the standard white or silver, it's actually black. So let's open it up and get them on out. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Right, so everything is just in here. So we have the attachments, the sucky things that go on the wall. So we'll have a look at them in a moment. We have some instructions just telling me on how to exactly put it on the wall, which will definitely come in useful. And then we have the 2 shower shelves. And here they are without any packaging on. In the bottom of this one, what is that? Like a big ruler. So yeah, right, okay, now I get it. The suckers that you stick them on the wall with, I think that's what they for. They must be templates. Without looking at the instructions, I think that's what they are. So let's pop that in there. But looking at the shower caddies themselves, they seem in really good condition. Looking at the paintwork, yeah, paint is nice and smooth. No chips, no scratches, no things bent out of place, which is absolutely fantastic. Let's check this one. Yeah, that is great. I just thought as well, these don't necessarily have to be shower caddies, especially with the colour of these, depending on what colour your kitchen is, on the tiles or something like that. Put your spices in it, or I'm sure there's something you'll be able to use them for. Right, so just reading information about the product that they've got on the Amazon page, and it just says, using the latest revolutionary super strong nano PU glue, the adhesive of the LUXEAR shower caddy is more than twice that of an ordinary colloid layer. The super absorption force can ensure that the hanging basket will not fall within 3 years. No drilling, no damage to the wall, just stick the adhesive on the surface and install the bathroom shelf on it. Okay. So it says here functional kitchen and bathroom storage. So yeah, that's what first came to my mind. You can use this anywhere you want as long as it's a surface that they will stick to. It just says in the kitchen the shelf can be used for seasoning bottles, in the bathroom to put toiletries, or a corner caddy shelf, such as shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, etc. Also perfect for bathroom, living room, office, etc. With 22 hooks, twice than normal, you will get more storage space. Apparently this is waterproof and rust-proof as well. The PVC non-marking sticker is moisture and water free, and the secondary sandblaster SUS 304 stainless steel hanging brackets are rust, scratch and corrosion resistant and will not deform, making them durable. 360-degree variation and drainage storage helps drainage, quick drying, prevention mold and bacteria from growing on the items. So yes, you get 2 in here, and they are 2 different sizes. One is 29.5 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 8. The other is 31 centimeters by 11.5 by 8. So put shampoo, body wash and conditioner on the top shower caddy storage, put shaving cream, soap, body lotion on another shelf of the caddy. Perfect to keep your toiletries clean and tidy. Now, actually, one thing I was worried about is removal, because I'm moving house soon, whenever that may be. It seems like a forever and a day, but you know, it says no trace removal. That means that the LUXEAR shower caddy can be reused again and again and again. When installing, pay attention to keep the installation surface clean and tidy. Ensure that the initial air is completely exhausted when installing the non-marking sticker. Please make sure the style and size of the attachment installation cupboard are corresponding to avoid installation problems. And yeah, I was right about these. So it just says, for your installation convenience, we have included 2 mounting tabs for each item, which can be easily installed by fixing the tab to the mounting location and applying the corresponding non-marking sticker to the slot. Yeah, so definitely keep those safe for the moment. Let's pop them there. Please check the type of wall before purchase of this powerful shower basket. Only fit for non-porous and smooth flat surfaces such as ceramic tile, glass, mirror, granite, stainless steel, acrylic, laminate and non-porous surfaces with a glossy finish. It does not work over grout lines or on porous surfaces such as wood, unfinished marble, granite, porcelain, wallpaper, natural stones, painted walls, etc. It just says what is included. So obviously we get the 2 shelves, we get the little templates to help hang them, and we get these, which is the 4 adhesives. Guys, so I think the next thing we have to do is go and fit these. So let's do that. Right, so it is actually quite late at night and I don't want to go around disturbing anybody, so I'm just gonna, just for the purposes of the video, I am just gonna stick it on the back of my door. It's a nice smooth poreless surface, so in theory it should work. So like I said, we get 4 of these packets. Inside them packets we get this. So we have the adhesive pad, we have a thing that slots over the top, and then we have the fastening. If I can do this, anybody can. So just looking at the instructions, step 1, clean the surface and keep it dry. I've already done that, so that's great. Mark and install the position with the paper measuring tool. Use installation for alignment. So I've just got a pencil. I think it's going to make it a little bit easier. So yeah, I'm just going to draw around the tiles on the door. And I'm using this because when it comes to removing it, this will wipe off easily. And there we go, we have faint 2 circles here. You won't be able to see them, but I can. Tear off the protective film on the adhesive base. There we go. Stick the adhesive base on the marked position. And then it says to press the adhesive base onto the wall firmly and squeeze the air out. So let's squeeze that in like that. And then I'm just going around it, making sure I'm getting as much as the air out as possible. And that's 2. And just doing that feels very, very firm on there indeed. Right, next step. Put the cover over the base and keep the slots parallel to the ground. Right, okay, so there's 2 slots here. I don't know if you can see. 2 like gaps there and there. So we're going to keep them like that. Don't put them like that. They have to go like this because the bars of the caddy are going to go in there. Right, so next it says hang the shelf on the slots. Then screw the knob firmly to affix the shower caddy. Okay, do not over tighten knobs. And there is the shower caddy. So we're going to be putting it this way. So these ball things at the back are going to be on the wall or whatever surface you're doing. Because I suppose you've got the hooky things here and that's going to rest up against the wall. That's in the slots. So I'm going to pop that on there and tighten. And we're not going to over tighten, I'll leave that there for now. Just going to tighten until I feel some resistance, and there we go. that is the first one up. That actually feels quite strong. The last thing it says here is wait for 12 hours before use. Oh, we're gonna have to continue this video tomorrow, I think. Yes, I think we are. I'll speed this next one up for you. And there we go, that is the second one on. It didn't take me long at all. It took me like a minute and a half to do. So as you can see, it's not even. I've literally just stuck them on there for now. If I was putting these up for real in my actual bathroom or kitchen, I would make sure that this was centered to this one. It's really, really sturdy, which is fantastic. So it says don't use for 12 hours. So we are going to leave it for 12 hours. I'll be back tomorrow to film the rest of the video. Right, so it's 12 hours later and we're going to pop some items in here to see how they cope. Let's do that. So I've stuck some of my brand new shampoos, conditioners and hair masks on the shelves. These are ones that I've bought to do reviews on that I haven't done yet. I've got quite a stock of them to get through, so lots of reviews to come. But yeah, their shelves are coping absolutely fine. As I say, they are brand new, so they are full, which means they are heavy. So yeah, really impressed with what the shelves can hold. Let's do another little test. Let's take the shelves off the door and see how easy it is to remove and see if it leaves any marks and so on, because it specifically says that it doesn't leave any marks and it's supposed to be easy to remove. So let's test that. Right, so first step is taking the shelves off by taking the caps off. So we will unscrew. Take these plates off as well, and then we're left with the sticky bits on the door. Just testing, just pulling. Ah, right, yeah, so they are well and truly stuck on there. What it suggests is to get your hair dryer and just warm them up a bit. That should make them easier in removing. And there we go, guys, it came off, not a problem. Just a few moments to warm it up and it came right off. And as you can still see, it's very, very sticky still, so can definitely be reused. Not one mark on the door at all. It's not sticky in any way. Cool. Guys, so as you've seen, I have fitted these for you. I have removed them for you. I have shown you what they can hold, and I'm quite positive they can hold way more than what I put on them there. They were not budging at all. So when I removed them, I put the protective sticky thing back on, because I am going to be using these when I move house, most definitely. What I think I'm going to do with them is in my beauty room, I have a mirror here. This mirror is going to be going in my new bedroom, and in my new beauty room I'm changing colour. I think I'm going white and grey. So yeah, my beauty mirror is going in my new room. I'm going to stick these on my big beauty mirror and put products on there, so like hair products, skincare. Yeah, I think that is what I'm going to do, and I love these. They are on the expensive side, but the quality that they are, the way that they can stick on a surface and stay there, and the amount of weight that they can hold, and the fact that you can remove them and reuse them over and over again, definitely makes it worthwhile in my book. So yeah, personally, if these weren't gifted to me, I would definitely buy these. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing these, I will leave the link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give it a click, go treat yourself. But yeah, massive thumbs up from me. But that concludes this video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.